Thanks for sharing. Well, I've always loved drawing, so it was sort of like one of those things I could do as an artist. It was a choice, but I've always wanted to get into it, and I didn't know how to. And then I saw a booth right across from my ride I used to operate at Tony Park, and I was like, oh, and it's all history for me.
Hey, cheers! I already know. I'm not gonna say what people's done to me before, so I'll see if he did it.
The thing.
I had a character done to me before, yeah.
You got a thing done that they caught about you.
Yeah.
Pretty obvious.
That's what it is.
Is it happening?
Oh, yeah, okay. Yep, it's obvious, yeah.
Go check out the diaper I wrote. Oh yeah, you can write on the diaper.
Oh, right. This is hilarious because you randomly said that. I didn't know that was a thing. You know?
Yeah. Instead of cards, they have diapers you can write on.
That is hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
It's very
That's hilarious.
Would it be acceptable to make it beautiful on TV?
Willie, can you take this or go over there?
like anything else.
Over this. Sorry. That's sorry.
My apologies. I didn't realize
That's all right.
I'd be in your way there.
Okay.
That would actually be good. Oh yeah, that'd be good. Chisel.
Hey, talk about chisel. You already know where I'm going now. Thanks for pointing it out, if you know what I mean.
Married?
No, I,
Hi.
you know, I was kind of there for like one season, and then I got transferred to be a lead in Chicago.
Have you met? Did you meet
Was like
Jack?
Gurney Six Flags
Lydia,
in America.
Another one of the cousins.
He was at a wedding. He was at a wedding. Oh, your wedding. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Was that?
It's really good.
Man, I'm over here like, dude, somebody asked, when do you want to hit their wedding? And I was like, I don't know. It's been a while, yeah, wow.
How did you guys find
Oh, really? Yeah.
For some reason, it kind of felt like, you know, like I drew you guys at a fair, and then you got we contacted from there, but
You have
sometimes it's like,
do you have a Venmo or something? Sure. Well, it's
ready to see this?
let's see it. I'm sorry.
Gracias por confiar en nosotros.